What do you think, bench-wise?
They don't like on 6-2, I don't think. But at this stage of the season, with the fact that two of their potentially starting pack, or their two number 8s are both coming in off 0 minutes, I can see them sacking the bench full of forwards. And that puts Sam Prendergast under pressure, because Kieran Frawley is the number 23 in that case. Alternatively, you pick one of your centres, or you go Jacob Stockdale, who had a really good start to the season and offers something really, really different in that number 23 jersey. But personally, I'd go 6-2. I just think that it gives you a bit of security around the fact that you've got so little game time. The forecast is not looking good for Saturday. At the moment, it's saying it's 80% chance of rain. Now, it's Tuesday. We're a long way out from it. But there is a risk that it's going to be a wet weather game. It's going to be down and dirty like last season's game in the Aviva Stadium. And that's another consideration. Where would you be on 6-2, 5-3?
They're all valid points. I wouldn't be surprised to see them go to the 5-3. We know Andy Farrell likes to have a big centre on the bench. I know Stuart McCloskey is an option as well, but I think Robbie Henshaw, I think a lot of people have been very quick to write Robbie Henshaw off. I know he's got a lot of miles on the clock in terms of how young he broke into the team, how long he's been playing for Ireland, but I think there's still more left in Robbie Henshaw, and I think he'd probably feel like he's a point to prove after being left out of the Lions squad in the summer as well. So in that regard, I wouldn't be surprised if they went with the 5-3 and you have Craig Casey, Sam Prendergast and Robbie Henshaw potentially as the backs. But I think your case for a 6-2 certainly stacks up as well. I can see the argument there.